Alright, it's another As a Pass video. Pincho Factory, man. Pincho. Y'all been to Pincho? Pincho, man. Pincho. We're gonna see, what's the first one?
A Pincho burger.
First, let's try these Pincho fries, man. You know what I'm saying? These Pincho fries right here. See them Pincho fries? Alright. I'm gonna be real with you. Fresh. Probably the shit. They get soggy quick, though. They alright. They semi-pass. Now this is the Pincho burger. I see that shit? With papitas, cheese, and the sauce on there. Let's see what's up with this Pincho burger. From Pincho Factory. I think I got a little onion. Pincho burger. Let's see what it do. That season's good, boy. But that patty thin, boy. Look at that bread ratio to the patty ratio, bro. No, it ain't no good right there. Flavor-wise, though, it's a pass. Burgers-wise, though, this is an ass, nigga. And hold up, let me dip in the cacio mayo, cause I know this is a cacio mayo. Now it's a pass. Little cilantro on the other side, babe. The sauce, y'all put the sauce on it. Pincho burger. Pass with the sauce, ass without the sauce. So far, yeah, we halfway mark. What was the other one?
Same.
Same? Take this one. We got cheese on it. Same thing. Pincho burger. Take this nigga shit. See what this one's about. This one got, oh, it's the same bullshit.
Same, we got the same. It's called the Pincho burger.
Pincho burger.
You call that
overall, I don't know. I think it's an ass, nigga. The pass with an ass. Y'all, Pincho, man, y'all need another patty in this bitch. That bread ratio to meat, it don't make no sense. Pincho. Y'all gotta do better than this. It's alright. Still ass. Pincho Factory. Tighten up.